This review, we're gonna dive deep into LeadIQ features, the pricing, and the pros and cons to help you decide if it is the lead generation solution you need in 2025. So to get started with the LeadIQ, so what is LeadIQ itself? LeadIQ is like a super power tools for finding and organizing information about potential customers. Think of it as your assistance for sale. It helps you find prospect data like email address and phone number so you can reach out to them. It also lets you track your sales triggers. These are events that show someone might be interested in buying, like if they download a guide from your website. LeadIQ makes sure you have the right contact data when you need it. Basically, LeadIQ help you find the right people at the right time, making it easier to use the closed deal. And here's the top benefit about this powerful AI website, which is LeadIQ, which is a prospect smarter. LeadIQ helps you focus your effort on the right people. It enables you to find and qualify leads faster so you can spend more time closing the deals. And also comes with a company details and a mobile data access with a smooth outbound prospect processing. And talking about the top best features of this website, it comes with a track and a scribe with a list and an academy and an extension which helps you to streamline and integrate with your workflow. And talking about the pricing list, they have different varieties of pricing list. They have the free plan, the starter plan, then the pro plan, and the enterprise plan, which is the custom price. So if you want more about more information about this, the pricing plan and the key features that is being selected on each plan, you can simply refer to the website to get more information about that. And talking about the pros and cons, it is good to understand both the strength and the limitation of the LeadIQ, which is crucial in making an informed decision about this website. So talking about the advantages, which is the pro, it has an accurate top update data with easy to use interface and powerful integrations, and streamlines the prospect with a boost productivity. So talking about it downside, it can be pricey, limited free trial, and the learning curve involved. So you have to take your time. It takes your more time to learn, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website.